What's up, guys? It's Dakota back at it again with another video. Today I am sitting in a hot ass car in the hot ass Texas heat. I got invited to a barbecue tonight and we're gonna watch some fireworks after that. And you know, I felt kind of bad because I was like, man, I got invited to this barbecue, but I don't have anything to bring. You know, I don't have any food or anything. So I was thinking to myself, I was like, what can I bring? And I was like, cookies. And then I was like, you know, how can I make that unique? How can I make it more than just cookies? And so I decided that I'm going to try out this thing that I've seen on social media every now and then, you know, when it gets really hot in the summer. I'm going to try and cook something in my car in the heat. Where I live in Texas, it's been really hot the past few weeks. It's been with like a high of like 105 to 110 every day. And that is without cloud cover. Today it's a little cloudy because I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow and the rest of the week. So I went to the store and I got some cookie dough, and I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet and put it on my dashboard, on the dashboard of my Jeep, and we're gonna see if I can cook these cookies in the heat, no oven, just using the sun and my hot car. Okay, so right now the thermometer on my wall says that it's about 100 degrees outside, but my phone says it's actually only 96, and the heat index just makes it feel like 100. Either way, it's fucking hot. So we're gonna see how long it takes for these cookies to bake. Later. I'm a little sad because they didn't cook all the way. They're still pretty soft. Like if you ate them, it'd basically be eating warm cookie dough, which sucks. But you know, whatever. Better luck next time, I guess. I'll probably try again on a hotter day and see if that works better. But I did bring a backup dessert, so that's good. It won't be a total disaster. But let's go watch some fireworks.